LOSKB Diary. The PONFOX harvester is engineered for precision and agility, making it ideal for selective harvesting in sensitive areas. Consider flowing smoothly through dense forests, removing trees with surgical precision, as its lightweight frame and strong cutting head provide unrivaled control. Whether you're working in easy soil or difficult terrain, the Fox blends elegance and power, allowing you to complete any task efficiently while reducing environmental impact. The PONFOX is your go-to for forestry tasks that require accuracy and attention. The Valmet 941 harvester is designed for heavy-duty logging, combining great power with precise control. Imagine laboring through dense forests, effortlessly toppling large trees thanks to its high-capacity harvester head and sturdy design. Whether you're climbing steep hills or crossing uneven terrain, the 941 provides smooth, dependable performance that maximizes productivity during each shift. This machine is all about strength and precision, so even the most difficult tasks feel manageable and efficient. The Ecolog 580 Farads harvester is a productivity powerhouse built to handle heavy lumber with strength and precision. Consider taking on enormous trees with ease, as its sturdy harvester head and powerful engine assure quick, clean cuts. The 580 Farads is designed to handle rough terrain and comes equipped with powerful traction control and stability technologies, allowing you to operate confidently in even the harshest conditions. The Ecolog 580 Farads doesn't merely harvest, it dominates, transforming difficult chores into seamless processes. The TigerCat 635H skidder is designed for people who must move large quantities of lumber through difficult terrain with speed and precision. Imagine effortlessly pulling big logs through difficult woodlands while the machine's powerful engine and durable structure do the work. Its six-wheel drive provides excellent traction, making even the most difficult tasks feel smooth and manageable. The TigerCat 635H is more than just a skidder, it's a forestry powerhouse that transforms difficult tasks into a smooth, unstoppable flow. The John Deere 948 liters 2-skidder is a formidable force, designed to carry the largest loads across the most difficult terrain. Imagine transporting large timber across tough terrain while maintaining complete control with its powerful winch and durable frame. Its sophisticated grapple system maintains a firm grip on each log, making even the most difficult tasks seem simple. The 948 liters 2 does more than merely haul logs, it conquers the forest, transforming every challenge into smooth, efficient work. The PC240L10 log loader combines strength and precision, making heavy timber loading and handling feel effortless. Imagine moving large logs with ease because to its robust hydraulic system and advanced grapple. Whether you're sorting, loading, or transporting logs on a busy job site, this machine delivers smooth, dependable results. The PC240L10 does more than merely manage logs, but masters them, guaranteeing that every job is completed faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing machinery in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKB Diary for the latest updates.